Welcome to the Campkin's video walkthrough, and this is the Avenger 27DBS, the most popular floor plan that Avenger has. You're going to love this trailer if you have kids. It has everything you need to get out camping. All these trailers, one thing that are great about them is that they have a lot of storage space. So if you take a look there, it's a pass-through. It also goes up and under the bed, and to be honest with you, it's like the Grand Canyon back there. If we take a walk back to the outdoor kitchen, so you can cook out here, and a lot of people love this one because it has two burners here. Okay, it does have a sink with hot and cold running water, and it does have for you a little fridge, so either for the kids when it comes to their water and juice, or for the adults and their beverages. Let's take a walk and we'll go inside the trailer and look how nice it is. You're going to see those great solid steps. If you have something heavy to carry in, everything's going to be fine. As we walk in here, you're going to see that there's a lot of light here, and the slide is very deep and it's very wide, so there's a ton of space in here for the kids to run around, and it's absolutely beautiful. Nice big u-dinette. If you got to drop the table to sleep somebody here, it's absolutely fine. They're going to have a good night of rest. One thing that Avenger does well is that you have the couch, and then directly across from the couch is the television, so no turning your neck to see the TV. We have double bunks there, and they are quite wide. So if you have someone that flails around a lot, they're certainly not going to be banging themselves on either wall. Nice sized bathroom for you there too. We do have a shower insert. You do see that there is a medicine cabinet, and it has everything that you need. As we take a look at the kitchen, you're going to see that we have a nice big fridge. This fridge is about 10.3 cubic feet. You've got space for your prep, a nice stainless steel sink. You've got this drying rack for you, and you can also take something hot off the stove and put it on this drying rack. You'll see that we have drawers on this side. There's space here, also space underneath the stove, and space above with your microwave. As we go into the bedroom, you're going to see that we do have windows on either side, which certainly helps with the light. You do also have a wardrobe on either side, space up on top, and like I said, it is a walk around, so it has everything that you need. This is the Avenger 27DBS. Let us help you make your RV dreams come true at Campkin's.